So I have a Garmin 60 CSX. The problem that I have is these buttons do not work anymore. And I learned that you can send this back to Garmin, ship it back to them, and they'll fix it for you. It's not under the warranty, unfortunately for me, but I decided that's not going to fly. And if it's just a simple button problem, then there's something in here that we can probably fix. So take a look in the back here. And if you get this opened up, it's got some serious weatherproofing. We have a few screws. So I think tomorrow I'm going to go into lab and give it a shot and see if I can take this thing off and remove, let's say, the case at least, and maybe I can get to these buttons somehow and see what's the deal. I hope it's not going to be too hard to fix because I really want to be able to use this, and it's really annoying that only half of it works. So, alright. That I had to do. Here's the internal of the board. As you can see, here's where the buttons go, up, down, left, right. These correspond with the front case here, up, down, left, right. And then what we're trying to do is see these buttons don't work anymore. Why? Because if you look here, there's a solder problem. So I cut that trace, cut this trace over here. Cut this trace, solder blob to that pin over there, and now it measures out. And time to put it back together and see what happens. And there we have it. I haven't put all the screws in yet. They go here, 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 and a few more up in here. But just turned it on for a quick. run through. I don't know if you can see it. It's on the. Oh shoot. Okay. Here we go. And for a while there, my page, menu, and enter buttons did not work. But now, voila, they work. I can run through the page perfectly, menu, and enter. God, that makes me feel so happy. This thing is so expensive. Alright, well that's how you fix your buttons if you have any problems with your buttons.